Chiliz value equivalent to $0.343 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $1.23 to $22.379. The earlier day close $1.338. The change was plus a 5 plus 37%. Reverse rate ICE to CHZ. Dollar to Chiliz figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at 7,692 coins. Excessive cost 7,692, while low 6,250. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 775. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 6,667, change for June 13.3%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 6,667 coins. Excessive cost 6,667, while low 5,556. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,193. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5,1882, change for July 11.8%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for August 2024. In the first place cost at 5,882 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 5,000. The found the middle value of cost 5,507. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 5,263, change for August 10.5%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 5,263 coins. Excessive cost 5,263, while low 4,762. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,072. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5,000 change for September 5%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 5,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 4,545. The found the middle value of cost 4,827. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4,762, change for October 4.8%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at 4,762 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 4,167. The found the middle value of cost 4,619. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 4,545, change for November 4.6%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 4,545 coins. Excessive cost 4,762, while low 4,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,4014. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 4,348, change for December 4.3%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 4,348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,5045, while low 3,846. The found the middle value of cost 4,227. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4,167, change for January 4.2%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 4,167 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,348, while low 3,704. The found the middle value of cost 4,855. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4,000 change for February 4%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 4,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,167, while low 3,571. The found the middle value of cost 3,896. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,846, change for spring 3.9%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,846 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,000, while low 3,448. The found the middle value of cost 3,750. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,704, change for April 3.7%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 3,704 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,714. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,704, change for May 10%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for June 2025. In the first place cost at 3,704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 3,030. The found the middle value of cost 3,416. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3,226, change for June 12.9%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 3,226 coins. Excessive cost 3,333, while low 2,941. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,156. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 3,125, change for July 3.1%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 3,125 coins. Excessive cost 4,000 while low 3,125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,489. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3,704, change for August 18.5%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 3,704 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,348, while low 3,704. They found the middle value of cost 3,939. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4,000 change for September 8%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for October 2025. At the outset cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 4,000, while low 3,448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,788. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,704, change for October 7.4%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 3,704 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,416. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,226, change for November 12.9%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for December 2025. In the first place cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,564. They found the middle value of cost 2,849. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,778, change for December 13.9%. As to CHZ expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 2,778 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,571, while low 2,778. They found the middle value of cost 3,115. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,333, change for January 20%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for February 2026. Before all else cost at 3,333 coins. Excessive cost 4,348, while low 3,333. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,754. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 4,000 change for February 20%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 4,000 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 4,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,441. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 4,762, change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 4,762 coins. Excessive